dimension of tank A is 60 by 40 by 30 centimeter. Tap Q filled the tank at 5 liters per minute for the first 3 minutes before tap P was turned on to drain water from the tank at a rate of 2 liters per minute. How long will it take to fill the tank completely from the start? Alright, so first thing we can do is to find the capacity of this tank. Capacity means total volume. And this will be 60 by 40 by 30. Alright, 60 times 40 times 30, 72,000 cubic centimeter. So what's certain is we need to fill up this tank with this volume of water. Now, for the first 3 minutes, tap Q was turned on, right? Tap Q was turned on for 5 liters per minute for the first 3 minutes. So tap Q is able to fill up 5 liters per minute. 5 liters is 5 liters times 1,000. That will be 5,000 cubic centimeter per minute. And that will be for 3 minutes. So 3 multiplied by 5,000. 15,000 cubic centimeter, and this is just for the first 3 minutes. So what is the balance that needs to be filled up after the first 3 minutes? Let's see. 72,000 minus 15,000. 57,000. Okay, 57,000 cubic centimeter, which will be filled after the first 3 minutes. Now, what's happening after the first 3 minutes is this. Tap P, which is draining water out, is turned on, right? At a rate of 2 liters per minute. So how long will it take to completely fill the tank from the start? So since water is going out at 2 liters per minute and still coming in at 5 liters per minute. So in effect, or as a result, when you put 5 liters in per minute, 2 liters come out per minute. So per minute, what is the change of water, or what is the change of volume per minute? That will be 5 liters minus 2 liters, right? Because whatever go in, 5 liters went in, 2 liters went out. So basically, you can say that 3 liters per minute went in. So 3 liters times 1,000, 3,000 cubic centimeter per minute. Okay, and you needed to fill up an additional 57,000. So you divide that by 3,000. And you will get the additional minutes that you need, which is 19 minutes more. So in total, how many minutes are you requiring to fill up this tank? First 3 minutes plus the additional 19 minutes. Answer 22 minutes.